Hey! One of the most fascinating and influential AI companies in the world, OpenAI. Might heard of them, or used some of their amazing products, such as ChatGPT, GPT-4, DALL-E, or Whisper. But also, know how they started, what they do, and where they are going. Here exploring the journey through the history, achievements, challenges, and future plans of OpenAI. OpenAI was born in 2015 from a bold vision to create a non-profit research lab that would ensure that artificial intelligence is aligned with human values and benefits all of humanity. The founders of OpenAI were a group of visionaries, including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Peter Thiel, and others. They wanted to avoid the potential pitfalls of AI being controlled by a few corporations or governments, or becoming hostile to humans. OpenAI started with a $1 billion pledge from its founders and attracted some of the best AI researchers and engineers in the industry. It quickly made a name for itself by producing groundbreaking research papers and open sourcing its code and data. Some of its notable achievements include creating ChatGPT, a generative language model that can produce coherent and diverse texts on any topic. Developing DALL-E, a generative image model that can create realistic and imaginative images from text prompts. Launching Whisper, a generative audio model that can synthesize speech and music from text or images. Building InstructGPT, a generative code model that can write and execute code from natural language instructions. And many more. However, OpenAI also faced some challenges and criticisms along the way. Scaling up its research and development costs, which required more funding and resources than a non-profit model could provide. Balancing its social mission with its commercial interests, which led to some controversies and conflicts among its stakeholders and partners. Competing with other AI companies that were also developing and deploying generative AI models and tools, such as Google, Microsoft, Stability AI, Anthropic, Jasper, Glean, Synthesis AI, Lightrix, and Inflection AI. To address these challenges and pursue its vision, OpenAI decided to transform itself from a non-profit to a for-profit company in 2019. It created a new entity called OpenAI LP, which is a hybrid organization that consists of two parts: a non-profit research lab that conducts fundamental research on AI for humanity's benefit, and a for-profit company that creates and sells AI products and services that are accessible and affordable. The for-profit arm is capped at 100x return for investors to ensure that it does not prioritize profits over social good. Since then, OpenAI has continued to innovate and expand its offerings. Some of its recent developments include raising $1 billion from Microsoft as part of an exclusive cloud computing partnership. Launching GPT-4, the latest version of its generative language model that has 100 trillion parameters and can generate more accurate and diverse text than ever before. Introducing ChatGPT+, an enhanced version of its generative language model that can interact with users on various topics and tasks. Releasing OpenAI Codex, a generative code model that can create programs for any domain or language. Collaborating with Microsoft Azure to offer Azure OpenAI Service, a cloud-based platform that gives customers access to OpenAI's models with the security and enterprise promise of Azure. So what's next for OpenAI? The company has stated that its ultimate goal is to create artificial general intelligence, AGI, which is AI that can perform any intellectual task that humans can. It also wants to ensure that AGI is aligned with human values and benefits all of humanity. To achieve this goal, OpenAI plans to conduct more research on AI safety, ethics, and governance. Develop more products and services that leverage its generative AI models, and engage more with the community and society at large. That's from Whatxactly.